to my Christmas open house tour. Hello, and welcome to my Christmas 2024 home tour. In today's video, I want to share with you how I have decorated my home for Christmas in my black tie theme. So this year, I wanted my home to reflect a modern and glam, elegant style. So I have decorated my home in black and white, as you can see by my beautiful Christmas tree behind me. And that is what you are going to see in my home today. So I know black is not a traditional Christmas color, but I like it and some of you guys do as well. So I hope you enjoyed today's Christmas home tour and it inspires you in your Christmas decorating, if not for this year, then next year. And with that, my friends, let's get on with the tour. Cheers. So for my bedroom this year, I wanted to keep it really simple. I wasn't going to put a tree in here at all, and then I decided at the last minute to add a small tree. This is the tree that I used last year in my loft area. It's a perfect tree. It's petite, and I just stuck it here in this planter that I got from, I want to say Home Goods or Hobby Lobby. And I love the way it looks, and I just added these two orbs here and it's the perfect tree and makes for a very cozy bedroom at night. For this tree, I decided to add these really pretty ornaments from Balsam Hill. They don't have as much luster as I thought they would, but they do look nice here on the tree. I also added in these icicles that we got from Home Goods. I love how those look. Again, here's another one of those ornaments from Balsam Hill. And I also decided to add in tinsel. And I absolutely love how it looks on the tree. I think it looks so, so nice. So high end, and I love the way it just sparkles in the room at night. Absolutely love it. So this is this area of the bedroom, and I do turn on the fireplace at night. But this is how it looks. So nice and cozy. I did decide to leave it really, really simple. You know, my theme is black tie, so I thought about adding some bows to each of the sconces, but I didn't do that. I just kept it really simple and just added the greenery here from Temu. This is the same garland that we had on the dining room table. And then we have some coffee table books and decor here at the bottom. But again, I left it really, really simple, and I love how the bedroom looks for Christmas.
Was to certain poor shepherds in the fields as they covers Noel. The angels did say, was to certain poor shepherds in the fields as they
I hope you guys have enjoyed my 2024 Christmas home tour. I loved how my black tie theme turned out, and I hope you do as well. If you enjoyed today's video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed, I would so appreciate it if you would hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, become a member of the iStyle My Style family. With that, my friends, Merry Christmas.